The Vilnius AI Summit is terrific. I go to a lot of conferences. The energy level here is enormous. It's bursting to the seams. It's a terrifically successful event, and I think that it's going to roll on for years and years.
Hi, I'm David Rowan. I've been moderating the Vilnius AI Summit 2025. We had 1,000 people here, and they engaged, and they networked, and they learned, and they interacted. Nice work, team. This is clearly the moment when everybody needs to understand how AI is going to transform their organization.
And there is many scenarios possible for us. And I'm happy to be here with so many people with such a great conference to explore more of the ideas and understand what we humans, because we are in charge, what we humans have to do to build our future, the one we are happy in.
Visus žmonės, kurie galvoja, čia man verta į tai gilintis, neverta gilintis, aš vienareikšmiškai sakau verta, galbūt tai jūsų nepakeis, bet tai padarys jumis dramatiškai geresnius ir įdomesnius.
AI taking over the world is something that often a lot of fear spins around. It's fabulous to see how many people turned out here to this conference. I learned today it's more than 1,000.
I'm very impressed about the different topics. There's people from very diverse backgrounds tackling how AI is being approached in their own fields. So there's sociologists, there are psychologists, there are engineers, there are product managers. Every single person is really bringing a lot of value on how they're using AI or how they're building it.
AI Summit tikrai sutikau daug įdomių žmonių iš skirtingų organizacijų. Aš pats esu iš Hostingerio, mes dirbam su IT ir čia yra daug kitokio pobūdžio įmonių, kurios dirba, nežinau, su agrikultūra, su logistika, ir aš labai džiaugiuosi, kad tokios įmonės galvoja apie AI pritaikymą, effektyvinti jų procesus ir produktus.
So AI has obviously been a huge topic over the last few years, and what we're seeing here is really all of the activity and the excitement that everyone has around AI.
What is very interesting for me is to take conclusions. 2024 was a year in which people were curious, they wanted to find out more. 2025, it seems that enterprises, companies and individuals are going to take an action towards making AI part of their daily activities.
Great to be here today, and it's a great atmosphere, very vibrant, with a lot of professionals with real case studies.
Išmokykime vaikus užduoti klausimus, o to niekas kitas neišmokys. Tokios konferencijos yra nepaprastai naudingos būtent dėl to, kad visame tame fone apie visus tos nuostabius dalykus, kurie vyksta, apie visus inovatyvius sprendimus, mes turime nepamiršti, kad ateina karta, kuriai visa tai jau yra jų gyvenimo būdas.
It's fairly typical that Lithuania is punching above its weight. The quality of the speakers, the number of people is more than I would have expected. Everyone's talking about whether we should be afraid of AI, and I think she said, I think we should be afraid of ourselves.
We all know that AI will disrupt everything, our daily life. So it's really important that we not only understand this technology, but we make use of this, because this will help us to power boost the human society.